Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Micro Soap Beauty. Today I'm showing you what's in my bag, and I don't know if I've ever done one of these videos. If I have, it was a long time ago, so I'm excited to show you what I lug around with me when I happen to go outside of the house, which is not often, so just keep that in mind. But the bag I showed you guys first in the January favorites video that went up last week. It is this gorgeous bag from Target. It's from the collection A New Day. And it was about $40, and it comes in two other colors. So you could get it in blush pink or a gray. So I got mine in black. It has some really nice sturdy handles. I think it's described as a two-handed satchel, but to me it's kind of like a bucket bag you can just kind of dump stuff in while still being chic and fun. So it has two zipper pockets along the outside of it, which I don't keep anything in there. I probably could like keep my wallet or something in there. So it has a little bit more added security than the zipper in the front, but I kind of just dump all my stuff in here. So let's get into it and show you what I have. In the outside little zipper, I keep my cell phone. Just throw that in there so it's easy to access when I'm like out and about, so I don't have to like dig around through the rest of my stuff. Like I said, there's nothing in the side pockets, but I easily could put my wallet, which is this one from Gresso is the brand, and it actually matches the purse really well, which is cool. So it's just like a zipper purse with a little bit of room for money, cards, nothing too fancy. I really like it. It's also a wristlet, so if I don't want to take my whole bag or we're just going out to dinner or something, I can bring this, and it fits my phone in it too, so that's pretty cool. On to the main bits and bobs. So I actually have two traveler's notebooks in here. I don't always carry these two with me, but it depends on what I'm doing. So if I have any meetings, I tend to bring this one. This is my B6 sized Oh Hello Stationery Traveler's Notebook. Then I have some little cute clips on it. So this is for meeting notes or any larger brainstorming sessions I might need to have because there is more room because it's bigger. So I have this one. And then I also have my like regular on the go. This is always in my bag. It's my A6 version. So this is actually like my go-to traveler's notebook, the one I use most often. It has like all of my business cards in it, all of my mileage trackers, my main notebooks, everything fits in this one. Going deeper into the bag, once those are out of the way, it's basically empty. Those take up tons of space, but they're super important to me and contain like all of my shit basically is in those. So then I have this little pouch. I got it from Etsy back when Etsy like started, so I don't think I could link it to you. Maybe I could go back all the way through my purchases and see if I can find it. But this is where I keep all of my feminine products. So depending on my time of the month, I'll pop this into my bag. It has my tampons, my like pads, and also underwear liners. So depending on what my flow's doing, I have it all set in this thing. So I just pop it into my bag if that's the time that I need it. Then I also have my vlogging camera. This is the G7X Mark II. It usually has a tripod. I took off the tripod because it was getting really jammed. But this is my Manfrotto tripod I got for Christmas. So these are usually attached. But I love this vlogging camera. If you're looking for a good camera and you don't want to get like a big one for filming videos, this is a huge like money saver plus really awesome camera. It has a lot of cool settings. And of course the screen flips up. So if you're vlogging, you could use that, or if you're filming yourself like right here, I have a T4i Canon, so the screen flips out so I can see myself while filming like sit down videos, but this could also do that. So I usually carry that around. And now we're getting into the little bits. So I usually have whatever lipstick I'm wearing at the moment. Right now it is Urban Decay's Back Talk, which is just a really nice pinky nude that I currently have on my lips. So I just pop whatever lipstick I'm wearing basically just in the bag so I have access to it. And then I also have a hand cream. This one is the Elizabeth Arden White Tea hand cream. It matches the perfume I've been wearing lately. So I have that in there, but I'll have whatever is really on hand. Then I also have a little compact mirror. I got this one from Forever 21 literally forever ago. It has some macaroons on it. It's just a two-way mirror. Two-way. It's not a two-way mirror. There's two mirrors. It's not two-way. Just two of them. So I have that just in case there's no mirrors in the world where I'm at the time and I need to look at myself. Then I also have this like lip balm. It's the It Cosmetics Janousek Rose lip balm, which is like the original version, but it has a slight tint to it. So I like that. I have the other ones in like my winter coats. I have a couple of these. So I keep them anywhere I need moisture is usually where I store those. And then I have a pen. I just have a backup pen. And that's it. That's everything I keep in my bag. It's not too exciting. I don't have like hordes of makeup or anything in there. Plus, I just got this bag, so I don't need like a ton of stuff in it so far. It hasn't like gotten the receipts or anything. But what's really cool about this one is that there are two like giant side pockets on either side of the big like opening, and then it has 3 smaller pockets. So there's a lot of storage in this bag, and obviously I fit 2 traveler's notebooks in it, a vlogging camera, and all of that. So if you're looking for a new bag, I think this would be a really good one because it is super professional looking while still being like fun, and you can actually put a lot of stuff in here. It does fit my Erin Condren, which I should have somewhere. Let me get it for you. I think it does fit my Erin Condren. So if you want to carry an Erin Condren with you, it fits in there as well. So huge fan of this bag. So that was everything that I keep in my bag. Is yours like mine, pretty straightforward, simple, or are you the type of person that you have no idea what's in the bottom of your bag? Let me know in the comments. Also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos from me every single week. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.